Hey boys, what you doing? You're so handsome. You're so sweet. I see a waggy butt. Oh, there's another. Y'all just chilling, waiting on your ride.
They're adorable and sweet. I want to pet them, Mom.
I gotta load this and put it on all them posts, huh? Say hi. Look at you. You're so
Aw.
cute. Here, take the food bag, Hannah. Rile them up a minute. Alright, are y'all hungry? Gonna feed you.
Do we have to look down?
Are you hungry?
Yes.
Yay. Is he coming?
Mom, Sandy.
Oh, Aggie, but he's sleepy. Yeah. Over to the, yeah. This thing doesn't zoom. I gotta back it. I mean, it doesn't. Well, it's on. Okay, let me feed him. Bye bye, boys. Where are you? There you are.